Hello home buyers, Mumbaikars from Mumbai. Today I Surang Borwa from Regrowth Infrastructure Private Limited is here to tell you the top properties in Kharghar offering modern amenities like high-tech security systems and reserved car parking to the residents. If you are looking to buy a modern amenity-specific flat for sale in Kharghar, then you are at the right place. We know it's very hard for you and for your family to find the best suited apartment when there are a huge number of options available to you. Also, as an individual and an investor, your demands with other factors such as size, budget, amenities, facilities, and amongst other things. So here I've compiled the top 6 properties in Kharghar offering modern amenities like high-tech security systems and reserved car parking to the residents, and I've also verified them across various parameters which I'll be telling you throughout the course of this video. Now let's move forward. At number 1 we have Sai Mannat. Sai Mannat has been developed by Paradise Group of Builders and Developers. It lies in the price range of 2 BHK 1.2 crores to 1.4 crores, 3 BHK at 1.72 crores to 2.25 crores, and 4 BHK at 3 crores to 3.6 crores. It is currently in the ready to move condition state. The top USP for this project is its location advantage. It has nearby pedestrian skywalk, Central Park, Usab Chowk, Little World Mall, and children's play area. Then number 2 we have Greenwoods. Greenwoods had been developed by the Galaxy Group, Proviso Group, and Rakhi Sai Realty. It lies in the price range of 2 BHK flat at 1.15 crores to 1.4 crores, and then 3 BHK flat at 1.62 crores to 1.65 crores. And it's currently in the under construction stage. The top USP for this project are the green amenities. Greenwoods is a well-planned infrastructure in the main location of Kharghar, Mumbai. Greenwoods is developed with several facilities in nearby to various civic utilities. It is a high-rise in the sea environment automated luxurious amenities. Other USPs include the location advantage. Greenwoods locality has several basic utilities like Silk Chowk, bus stop, DAV International School, Little World Mall with sub-eye clinic and surgery center, Sector 14 station, ISKCON Kharghar, Indian Bank ATM, D-Mart, Cafe Coffee Day, Central Carnival Cinemas, Central Park, etc. all residing close proximity to this project. Then number 3rd we have Bhagwati Greens. Bhagwati Greens has been developed by the Bhagwati Group. It lies in the price range of 2 BHK at 1.25 crores onwards, 3 BHK at 1.8 crores onwards, and 4 BHK at 3.4 crores onwards, and is currently in the under construction stage. The top USP for this project is its view. Pandavpura waterfall view from the project connect to Central Park, Golf Course, ISKCON Temple, Heritage Center, one of the biggest projects in Mumbai. Combination of both commercial and residential plots. It's a CIDCO tender plot. It has a podium recreational facility, and it also has luxurious and spacious flats. Other location advantages include close to Pandavpura waterfall, 2 minutes from proposed railway station, superior educational and medical facility nearby, 15 minutes drive to upcoming Mumbai International Airport, 5 minutes drive from Mumbai Pune or Mumbai Goa Express Highway, disconnected Central Park, Golf Course, ISKCON Temple, Heritage Center, like I told you before. Shopping malls, premium restaurant, eatery, and international food chain are also in close proximity to this project. Then in number 4th we have Sai World Empire. Sai World Empire has been developed by Paradise Group of Builders and Developers. It lies in the price range of 2 BHK at 1.22 crores onwards, 3 BHK at 1.58 crores onwards, and then 4 BHK at 2.7 crores onwards. It is currently in the under construction stage. The top USP for this project is connectivity. Sector 7 at 5 km 25 minutes, Science Park at 6 km 30 minutes, CUS Dara at 5 km 25 minutes, Kharghar is at only 3 km 15 minutes, and then Nerul at 5 km 25 minutes. Then number 5th we have Adhiraj Capital City. Adhiraj Capital City has been developed by Adhiraj Construction Private Limited. It lies in the price range of 1 BHK 68 lakhs onwards, 2 BHK at 1.2 crores onwards, 3 BHK 1.62 crores onwards, and then 4 BHK 1.57 crores onwards, and it's currently in the under construction stage. This is one of the most luxurious projects of Kharghar and has one of the tallest towers in Kharghar. The top project USPs include it is located in 5-10 minutes from 5 mega projects of Kharghar like BKC2, Metro Station, Central Park, Golf Course, ISKCON Temple with easy access to the proposed airport, marina, and MTHL ceilings. Other project USPs include it is located in Mumbai's most prized capital, that is Kharghar. Commercial complex, park, and high street are all within a 40-acre city. It is Mumbai's first and only 7-star lifestyle club, with first in the region to construct super structure towers. Then number 6th we have Arihant Clan Alishan. Arihant Clan Alishan has been developed by Arihant Superstructures Limited. It lies in the price range of 1 BHK 50 lakhs to 65 lakhs, 2 BHK 75 lakhs to 1.15 crores, 3 BHK 1.25 crore to 1.5 crores, and it is currently in the under construction stage. This is again one of the most luxurious projects of Kharghar. The project USPs include the connectivity, Sector 7 at 5 km 25 minutes, Science Park at 6 km 30 minutes, Sius Dara at 5 km 25 minutes, Kharga is at only 3 km 15 minutes and Nerul at 5 km 25 minutes. Talking about the infrastructure, Sanjeevani International at 4 km 20 minutes, MIDC Road at 5 km 25 minutes, Ryan International School at 4 km 20 minutes, Riddlewell Mall at 5 km 25 minutes, Carville Common at 4 km 20 minutes. Talking about the neighborhood, Taloja at 4 km 20 minutes, Kalamboli at 5 km 25 minutes, Kamothi at 5 km 25 minutes, and then Seawoods at 6 km 30 minutes. Other projects USPs include one of the biggest luxurious township projects of Navi Mumbai. It has a combination of both commercial and residential plots. So these are the top 6 properties in Kharghar offering modern amenities like high-tech security systems and reserved car parking. I hope you like this video, and these are the best options available to you. If you are interested in buying a property over here, you should contact us, the Regrop team, so we can offer you the best prices, best discounts, best offers, and also let you know further details about the project. The contact information for the same is given below in the description below. Thank you.